It's okay. Let's go, Daddy.
Okay, sino una?
Brown. Ay, 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 why did you take it off? Don't take it off because it's so hot. What is your exit? To touch the goat? Why?
Hi, Mr. Go.
Look, oh! About the brown goat. Look!
Hey, tara, mami.
Yes.
Hey,
We're going bought a horse.
sige, mami. Sige, dagang mapansin ka lang, yung mapansin.
Yung may maganda siya. Oh, there, it's dangerous.
Let's go to the playground.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
No, it's not a playground. No, it's playground. Daddy, that one.
Hey, you need to stand. Mami, gunita go siya, mami, bro. Nindot kay
Come here,
Dre.
come here.
Wait. Wait for mami.
You want to hold it here?
Dre, mami, oh, Dre, oh. Over there. Kanang na bato. Kanang na concrete. Dili. Nindot man gud ang light. Klaro kayo mo. Dara kay ngit-ngit. Yeah, walay view. Nabi, sige.
Look at Daddy. Did you see the big bird over there? Look! Look at there above. Look up. It's not brown. Look at. Did you see the bird or not?
See the bird over there. Red eyes. Look. See that?
Yeah. What color is the bird?
What's the color of his eyes?
Kita na niya?
Look.
Mommy, Daddy. Come here.
Pugi. You hear that? That's a cicada. Yes. It's an insect. Yes, when he flaps his wings, it creates a sounds like that. Bird Dome Part 2.
Magkano kilo to? Kano kilo to? Oh, you wait. I want to see the four down.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Daddy, 20. Wala pa siya bugatan. 2 points ka para maikuhaan. It's a
What's that?
feeds. It's a feeds. Here, put it back, Daddy. Okay, give it to the... Yay! Oh no! Oh no!
Yung samad niya.
Oh my God! Delikado dahil dito, no? Ang kuan. Dito na lang. Oh, here. Oh no! It's okay, no? He's so happy. He got food. You hold it. Hold the food. Dapat hindi nila ang food, no?